Hi friends, this is Barbara and I'm back with another Crock-Pot meal. Today we are making homemade meatballs for the Crock-Pot. We are going to start with 3 beaten eggs, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, okay. This is a half of an onion chopped. And we're going to do 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Switch our spoon, and we're going to do half of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, we're going to throw in a half a cup of seasoned breadcrumbs, like so, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, grated. Then my hands are cleaned. And we're going to start mixing this together. Okay, so now that our hamburger, I used a pound of hamburger and a pound of turkey meat. It's a little bit cheaper, but you could go ahead and use 2 pounds of ground beef. All right, you take your meatballs. I hope the camera is not too close. And you kind of just do what kind of, what size you like, what your family prefers. But I think that looks good. You want to try to keep them all the same size though, so they cook evenly. After we get these all made into meatballs, what we're going to want to do is to sear the meatballs before we throw them into the crock pot with our marinara sauce. Okay, so that 2 pounds of meat, I have got 20 meatballs, like that size. So get you out a pan, spray you in some olive oil. Now we are going to sear the 20 meatballs, okay? So just get them all into your pan so we can get those seared up. Where is everybody watching from? I am in Iowa. Seems to be a pretty nice day today, but I hear snowstorms are coming. But it is winter time, so it's to be expected. Okay, so we're going to sear that on all sides. You're going to sear all 20 of them. After you get finished searing all of your meatballs, and this is what I'm talking about when I'm saying sear them, all sides, all the way around. And then from there, what we're going to do is take a jar of your favorite marinara sauce. We're just going to pour that right over those meatballs. And by the way, cooking those meatballs smelled wonderful. I can't wait until you try it. Okay, and then from here, you can put your crock pot on low for 6 hours or put it on high for 3 hours. And don't forget the lid. Okay, thank you. And I will be right back because we're going to put, well, I am going to put this over fettuccine noodle. You could put it over whatever noodle you like the best. Ooh, this is it. Stir it around. See what I mean by that? Searing really helped. You know, if you really like it saucy, kind of like I really do, You can also throw another marinara in there, but for right now, I'm just going to leave it like this is. I'm going to put it over fettuccine noodles. You know, and you could just put yourself some sauce in there. Okay. Let me get a taste. So the star of the show is the meatballs, obviously. That's what I want to take a bite of. Very done. This is going to be hot. That was good. I really didn't expect it to be so delicious. I usually opt for the frozen meatballs, but somebody said they came to one of my meatball videos and said they thought I was making homemade meatballs. Well, there you go for the one who requests homemade meatballs. Okay, friends, thank you for being here with me today. I really enjoyed it. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. I love you, friends. Keep on cooking.